After we go watch the match there, me I send a serious warning to the Jamaican football players. Listen me man, stop ramping Jamaica football. You stop ramping Jamaica football. If you don't want to play, don't come. Brother, when we go watch back the match and see the chance and we miss, up to a grandmother, we are walking, they could have scored them. A child with just born out of her mother home could have scored them. Brother, stop ramping Jamaica football. Please, stop ramping Jamaica football. All the goal them score. I back on the back of my man, you know. I'm a man kick ball in a goal. You know. Come on, brother, I want to come on holiday at Jamaica or something. Brother, you say if you want to come on holiday, tell the people them say holiday you don't want to go on, you don't want to play no football. You stop coming and ramp with the football, brother. And we can't beat the coach alone. The player them need to get beaten too because they're doing nonsense on the field. Yes, I.